Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Now from here, click on this file, new file, and in the description box of this video, I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to copy the file from here and simply update it and just come down over here, right? And from here, just click on it and update the project ID like this. Carefully update it. And then we have to update the location. So how I'll do it? Just come over here and update the location like this and simply click on file and just save. Now we have to save the file as per this name. So copy this name carefully, update it and simply save it. Now once the file is saved, the number will disappear from here. Now simply copy from here. Okay, wait for this number to disappear. Now simply paste over here and hit enter. Now once you get this output, you have to simply check the score and wait for a few minutes. The score will be updated. It may take around 1 minute or 2 minutes, so you have to wait and check the score again and again. So we got the score, and that is how we completed the lab. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.